The vertebral column is a vertical structure constructed from individual bones called vertebra, each of which is joined to the others in the column by an intervertebral disc that's composed of fibrocartilage. It is a flexible column that supports the head, the neck, and the body, and in addition it protects the spinal cord as well. Many muscles of the neck, trunk, and abdomen will connect to the vertebral column as well, so it also allows for movement of the head, the neck, and the thorax and abdomen. So when viewed laterally, a healthy vertebral column has a slight curvature in each of its major regions. The curvatures, together with the intervertebral discs, allow the entire column to function as a shock absorber to protect against physical trauma. The adult vertebral column consists of 26 vertebrae within 5 regions. The cervical vertebrae are the vertebrae within the neck, and there are 7 total. The thoracic vertebrae are the vertebrae that form joints with the ribs in the thoracic region, and there are 12 total of these vertebrae. The lumbar vertebrae are the vertebrae of the lower back, and there are 5 total in that region. The sacrum is a wedge-shaped vertebra that forms a joint with the hip bones, and there is 1 total. And the coccyx is the small vertebra at the inferiormost end of the vertebral column, of which there is 1 total. Figure 7.20 examines the 5 major regions of the vertebral column, starting superiorly with the 7 cervical vertebrae in the neck. These lead to the 12 thoracic vertebrae in the thoracic region. The thoracic vertebrae connect to the lumbar vertebra in the lower back, and there are 5 lumbar vertebrae in total in that region. The sacrum is a large, robust vertebra that functions as a wedge between the 2 hip bones, and it transfers the weight of the body carried by the entire vertebral column to the hips and to the lower limbs. And finally, the coccyx is the small vertebra at the inferiormost end of the vertebral column, and normally when standing it bears no weight, but when we are seated it does bear a little bit of body weight.